Homeowners, does your house need work before you sell it? Well, you might be tempted to list it as is and let the buyer deal with it, but that choice has consequences. Here's how to decide which repairs are actually worth the money and which ones you can skip. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles, South Bay, and today we're going to talk about don't sell as is in 2026 until you watch this video. If you're thinking about selling your house this year, you may be torn between two options. One is, do you sell it as is and make it easier on yourself? No repairs, no effort. Or do you fix it up a bit first so it shows well and sells for as much as possible? In 2026, that decision matters more than it used to. Here's what you need to know. First, more competition means your home's condition is more important again and more than it used to be. Over the past year, the number of homes for sale has been climbing. Don't panic, not as much as you may read or hear on the news, at least here in Southern California. And this year, a Realtor.com forecast says the inventory level could go up another 8.9%. And that matters. As buyers gain more options, they also regain the ability to be selective. So the details are starting to count again. That's one reason many sellers choose to make some updates before listing. According to a recent study from the National Association of Realtors, 2/3 of sellers, or 65%, completed minor repairs or improvements before selling. That's the blue and the green in the chart. And only 1/3, or 35%, sold as is. So, what does selling as is really mean? Well, selling as is means you're signaling upfront that you won't handle repairs before listing or negotiate fixes after the inspection. That can definitely simplify things on your end, but it also narrows your buyer pool. Homes that are move-in ready typically attract more buyers and stronger offers. On the flip side, when a home needs work, fewer buyers are willing to take it on. That can mean fewer showings, fewer offers, more time on the market, and often a lower price. It doesn't mean your house won't sell. It just means it may not sell for as much as it could have, and you may need to list at a lower number or lower your asking price. So what should you do? Well, the answer isn't one size fits all. It's going to depend a lot on your house and your local market. And that's why working with a professional realtor is a must. The right agent will help you weigh your options and anticipate what your house may sell for either way. And that can be a key factor in your final decision. If you choose to sell as is, they call attention to the best features like the location, size, and more, so it's easy for buyers to see the potential, not just the projects. If you decide to make repairs, your agent can pinpoint what's really worth the time and effort based on your budget and what buyers care about the most. The good news is there's still time to get repairs done. Typically speaking, the spring is the peak home buying season, so there's still time left before buyer demand will be at its seasonal high. That means you have time to make some repairs without rushing or stressing and still hit the listing sweet spot. But discuss with your realtor which repairs make sense and that fit within your budget. The choice is yours. No matter what you end up doing, your realtor will market your house to draw in as many buyers as possible. And in today's market, that expertise is absolutely going to be worth it. While selling as is can still make sense in certain situations, in some markets today, it may cost you. So no, you don't have to make repairs before you list, but you may want to. To make sure you're considering all your options and making the best choice possible, connect with me to have a quick conversation about your house, your goals, and your options. Please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and friends. Well, this is Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles, South Bay, and I'll see you on the next video.